Yes. Hi. This is the second lecture of Scala coding, and now in this lecture we are going for what is different between val versus definition. So both property called the identical. Def evaluate each time, val evaluate once. So let's go the example which we did last time. If you see here val, right, so it executes once a time, but def is evaluates every times when we call, right? And now we are going again the mutable fields and modifier. Okay, so here we define person class. Val is a name, and var is the this weight in pound, and weight in kilo we are doing using def. So weight in pound and conversion pounds, weight kilos, and def is equal to double standard property access nodes. It make this val would be bug, and def weight kilos unit is the way of create modifier in a Scala, and mutable fields and modifier. So when you define friends, right, new person equal to friend 20, and it return friend dot weight in pounds like 120. This is the code, right? Weight in pound 120, weight in kilo. So if you go here, weight in pounds, weight in kilos with a sign. Then weight in kilo is 60 volt, weight in pound it will create automatically, weight in pound we define and it will create automatically in kilos. So behind the scene, Scala user rewriting rules for immutable field and modifier, and apart from using less readable variable names, this is what the Scala rewrite our original code too, right? So if you person name and weight, I'm defining this is the some kind of private, and here I'm defining def, it's to name, and private variable weight in WTIS weights, and weight in pounds WIPS, and weight in pounds internal creating units, and weight in kilo